ACT cram. English language conventions. Past perfect tense, past participle. 8th grade skill level question 1. Me medicine, antidote your ignorance. ACT English Foundation, verb tense question 1. Complete the sentence with the past perfect form of the verb. Reading stories by Sandra Cisneros, a Mexican-American who grew up in Chicago, blank Lupe to write about her own experience as a Latina in the Midwest. The task here is to shift the tense of inspire to its past perfect tense. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The past perfect tense tells about something that had happened before something else. It uses the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is had. Check out this example. We had finished dinner by the time Tim arrived. Again, we've used the past tense form of to have, which is had, across the board, regardless of whether or not our subject is plural or singular. And we've paired it with the past participle of the main verb, whose original form is finished. So finished is regular. It doesn't have a different past participle. Its past participle and its past tense form are the same. So had finished is the correct past perfect tense verb form. All right, back to the original question. Now for the solution. Again, the past perfect tense describes a completed action that happened before something else. We're going to get into this just in case you're still confused. Recall, to form the past perfect tense, use the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is going to be had, with the past participle of the main verb. So according to these rules, had inspired is the past perfect tense. Reading Cisneros' stories is the past event that happened before Lupe was inspired and decided to write about her life in the Midwest. Note that the second event, Lupe's commencement of writing, is the more recent event that also took place in the past. Had inspired is correct.